18 system design concept every engineer must know before the interview. So while if you are going for the product based interview, so here all 18 system design interview questions are there which we have to know about this. So I got this information from the LinkedIn. So here all the system design has mentioned from the serial number 1 as a DNS, delivery network system. So first is DNS system design, others is load balancer, how we will design our load balancers through this system design and DNS. Then we have a API gateway. Third is the API gateway, how we will create a API gateway to design applications while we are developing a microservice based applications. Then we have a first is domain name server, second is load balancer, third is API gateway, fourth is content delivery network, and fifth is forward proxy and reverse proxy. So how we will design a forward proxy, reverse proxies and all. So they will ask product based company if you are going for the interview. So they may ask this type of design, system design, how we will create a system design as a low level or high level system design. So sixth is caching, how we will create a cache in our application. So what are the design, system design for that. And the seventh will have a data partitions, so how we are creating a data partitions. Then eighth we have a data replications. Next we have a messaging system. Ninth we have a messaging systems. Then 10th microservice based architectures, how we will design a system concept for the microservices. Then if you are using some database connectivities and all, so how we will use a database, NoSQL database system design. Then we have an index, so in this database if you are using some index concept, so how we will create a database index. And the next is distributed file system, so what all are the distributed file systems, how we are creating, how we will design a system, low level or high level system design through the distributed file system. The next is notification system. So what all are the ways we can design the notification systems. And the next is full text scratch search. So full text search is like how we will search this all features. What all are the ways we can implement the search functionalities, full text search. And then next it will have a distributed coordination service, so how we will create a distributed coordination service. And then we have a next is check heartbeat, so how we will create a heartbeat system design. And then what all are this is a very important checksum system design, how we will create a system design of checksum. So this all 18 system design which we seen really is the most important interview questions if you are going for the design, system design concept related interview questions. So here we have what is if you are preparing from this DNS, so what is the DNS? So mostly DNS is translate domain name into the IP address, so enabling internet access. So for that purpose we are doing a design. Load balancers is a distributed network traffic across services for optional resource utilization, through that we can do the load balance from this transfer one with the multiple sub instance like that. So API gateway is a central entry point for the API request from handling routing and authenticate and rate limiting. So mostly the UI which we have sending the request from the customer side, so the API gateway will come and then they will route or request handler, authenticator or rate limiting and all into through the API gateway. CDN is a cache delivery content closest to the users, improving the performance. So mostly it is used for the, if you are doing a CDN system design, so that is used for this improving the performance and all. So like that we have a reverse proxies, caches, and data partitions, data replicating, message system, microservice, NoSQL database, database index, distributed file system, notification system, full text search, distributed coordination system, and then heartbeat, and then checksum. So these all are the system design which we have seen. It's a very important while if you are going for the 18 system design. if you are going for the any product based interview. If you are preparing some system design, then you can refer this also. It's a very important thing. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.